पर ऐसा कोई भगवान जो खुद भगवान से बाहर अपने भक्तों से मिलने आते हैं वो है महाराज महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ। तो आज उन्हीं की एक यात्रा के बारे में हम बात करते हैं, विच इज़ एंशिएंट चैरिट फेस्टिवल एंड वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड रिनोन्ड चैरिट फेस्टिवल कॉल्ड एज जगन्नाथ महाप्रभु रथ यात्रा। सो क्यों ना शुरू करें इस यात्रा की बातों से शुरू करते हैं आज हमारे शामे गाना की यात्रा। सो नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल सभी को। वेलकम ऑल ऑफ आवर ऑडियंसेस इनटू द 275th एपिसोड ऑफ शामे गाना, जिसमें हम सारे उड़िया भाषियों के लिए एक नया कार्यक्रम है और बाकी सब जो उड़िया नहीं जानते हैं आज उनके लिए एक उड़ीसा की बातें करते हैं। सो ओवर टू यू संबित भाई।
So welcome everybody to the 275th episode of Samegana, and this is a Odia language regional special, and we have 4 singers today, Susmita, Soni, Suchit and Susmita, and we're going to perform for about an hour and 45 minutes today with Odia songs, and we'll start with a devotional song, Utha Prabhu Jagannatha. So everything we start with Lord Jagannatha, and who is our revered deity in Puri. And so over to you, Susmita, to kick off this wonderful version, originally sung by Namita Agarwal.
Thank you भाई। तो प्रभु जगन्नाथ की जो बातें होती हैं वो इट इज़ वेरी मच सिमिलर एंड इट्स लाइक मानवीय लीलाएं होती हैं उनकी। जैसे उनको सुबह उठाया जाता है, रात को सुलाया जाता है, भोजन कराया जाता है। तो भोजन से सभी को 56 भोग के बारे में तो पता ही होगा, हम इसकी बातें करते हैं। पर इससे पहले हम प्रोग्राम किक ऑफ करते हुए बिल्कुल शाम को जैसे शुरू करते हैं वैसे भगवान के याद करते हुए उनको उठाते हैं। सो माई सॉन्ग गोज अराउंड लाइक प्लीज़ वेक अप, प्लीज़ राइज लॉर्ड। सो मे बी मैं उनका आह्वान करती हूँ कि वो हमें उठाए और उनकी तरफ ले चले इस गाने से।
beautiful, soulful rendition, Susmita. And Jagannath is known to, fall asleep and not wake up. So there are several songs that have been composed about waking up Jagannath so that he can take care of the world. Kotha Bhogakya is one of the other famous songs, and this is beautiful, beautiful start, Susmita, and very soulful rendition of this bhajan. So we'll move on to the next bhajan of the evening. This is a more modern bhajan. This is about people actually who are not close to the abode of Puri, Lord Jagannath's home, and how we can actually offer our make our offerings to Lord Jagannath, living at a distance from the Lord. So this is originally sung by Sri Charan Mahanti, Nilachala Dhama, Jaimu Paruni, and Suchit is going to perform this song. Suchit, over to you.
Namaskar everyone, and I just want to add a little bit what Sambit ji just mentioned. So ऐसा मानना है कि अगर जगन्नाथ प्रभु का इच्छा ना हो तो उनके दर्शन भी नहीं होते, उनके पास जाना भी नहीं होता. तो ये जो मेरा भजन है उसी के ऊपर है कि एक भक्त जो है वो जा नहीं पा रहा है, तो नाउ इन द भजन ही इज ट्राइंग टू कंपेंसेट कि क्या क्या कर सकता है वो. तो चलिए सुनते हैं. हे जगन्नाथ, हे जगन्नाथ, जगन्नाथ, हे जगन्नाथ. জীবনর বাট ভারি অঙ্কা বঙ্কা বিচরা বাটই ছাতিরে ছনকা মুসেই বাটই ভারি একা একা পাদে পাদে আজি দৌছি পরীক্ষা এইটি থাই মু যাচুছি নড়িয়া এইটি থাই মু যাচু तुम हाथ हे जगन्नाथ हे जगन्नाथ हे जगन्नाथ हे जगन्नाथ भारी छंदा छंदी पापुलीर रेखा घटुची घटिब जहा अछि लेखा को दिन प्रभु हब तुम देखा से दिन जाए करिछि अपेक्षा जीव जीव जाए तुम कृपा थाओ जीव जीव जाए तुम कृपा थाओ मागुनी सरग पारिजात हे जगन्नाथ हे जगन्नाथ हे जगन्नाथ हे जगन्नाथ नीलाचल धाम जाइमु पारुनी नीलाचल धाम जाइमु पारुनी एइठी करुछि दंडवत हे जगन्नाथ 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 हे जगन्नाथ। धन्यवाद।
बहुत ही भाव विभोर फीलिंग सहित आपण गायले ब्यूटीफुल प्रदर्शन took us to a divine niche. So next हमारा भजन के डेविएट करके we are going for a comedy song actually, and that brings us to Allo Allo Milk. It's a beautiful number and funny number which Samvidhana can explain more. But when it comes to Mariko, Odisha Pradesh is also known as full of gems and jewelries, a Pradesh where there is so much to dig on. So Amara festival with Boito Bandhan, all the sailors they sail to other countries, and it is known as those days they used to go to Sumatra, Java for business purposes. So Manikaru ikatata manapadilla, but rest all over to you. Something.
Yeah, so ये गीतरा actually this is actually A Allo Allo Moni. So it is like it's a very funny song by Akshay Manti, and this is like a modern song. It's not part of any movie, and I always used to like this song. And I was raised in Cuttack, which was the cultural capital of Odisha, and Akshay Manti's house residence was very close to my Ojagara, my uncle's house. My grandfather's maternal grandparents' house. So I always used to, when I used to visit my grandparents, I used to go past his house and also used to listen his practice and all. So I'm going to try this song now. So let me just play this. Hey money! আলো আলো মণি এ এ এ আলো আলো মণি ପିଲାଦିନ କଥା ଭୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି ପିଲାଦିନ କଥା ଭୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି କରକ କାନିରେ ପଛୁଥିଲୁ ପରା ନାକ ସିଙ୍ଘାଣି କରକ ଛାଡ଼ି ଶାଢ଼ୀ ପିନ୍ଧି ହେଲୁ ଭାରି ସିଆଣି ଆଲୋ ନାଲି ଚୁଡ଼ା ଥିଲୁ ଫୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି ଏ ଏ ଏ ଆଲୋ ଆଲୋ ମଣି ଏ ଏ ଏ ଆଲୋ ଆଲୋ ମଣି ପିଲାଦିନ କଥା ଭୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି ପିଲାଦିନ କଥା ଭୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି ତୁ ଯେବେ ଛୁଆ ଥିଲୁ ଗେଲ କରୁଥିଲି ତତେ 17 ବରଷ ହେଲାରୁ ସୁନ୍ଦରୀ କଥା କହୁନାହୁଁ ମତେ ତୁ ଯେବେ ସାନ ଥିଲୁ ମିଠେଇ ଦେଇଛି ତତେ 17 ବରଷ ହେଲାରୁ ସୁନ୍ଦରୀ ଜବାବ ଦେଉଛୁ ମତେ ଲା 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 ଏ ମଣି ଏ ଏ ଏ ଆଲୋ ଆଲୋ ମଣି ଏ ଏ ଏ ଆଲୋ ଆଲୋ ମଣି ପିଲାଦିନ କଥା ଭୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି ପିଲାଦିନ କଥା ଭୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି କାଲି ପରି ଲାଗେ ଅଡୁଆ ସୂତାରୁ କେତେ ତାଡୁଥିଲୁ ଘିଅ ପଚାରିଲେ ଆଜି ମୁହଁ ମୋଡ଼ି କହୁ ନୁହେଁ ସେଇ ଝିଅ ଉଠୁ କହିଲେ କିଆ ହଉଥିଲୁ ବସ କହିଲେ ବୟସ ବଢ଼ିଲେ ଦୁନିଆରେ ତେବେ ବଦଳି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଝିଅ ଲା 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 ଏ ମଣି ଏ ଏ ଏ ଆଲୋ ଆଲୋ ମଣି ଏ ଏ ଏ ଆଲୋ ଆଲୋ ମଣି ପିଲାଦିନ କଥା ଭୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି ପିଲାଦିନ କଥା ଭୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି କରକ କାନିରେ ପଛୁଥିଲୁ ପରା ନାକ ସିଙ୍ଘାଣି କରକ ଛାଡ଼ି ଶାଢ଼ୀ ପିନ୍ଧି ହେଲୁ ଭାରି ସିଆଣି ଆଲୋ ନାଲି ଚୁଡ଼ା ଥିଲୁ ଫୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି ଏ ଏ ଏ ଆଲୋ ଆଲୋ ମଣି ଏ ଏ ଏ ଆଲୋ ଆଲୋ ମଣି ପିଲାଦିନ କଥା ଭୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି ପିଲାଦିନ କଥା ଭୁଲି ଗଲୁଣି Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow. How can we forget? This was a beautiful number. This was very, very beautiful number from one of the films, as you said. Our Odia industry, Odia movie industry, भी music industry, we have all the genres, bhajan, rune, ki comedy, rune, ki serious romantic songs and melancholy songs. Of course, this was one of the best numbers. But ସେଇଠୁ ଆମକୁ ମନେ ପଡ଼ୁଛି ଯେ the bhajan industry of India actually it's of 8% only. ଯେତେ ବି like of all the songs, bhajan can only take place and as 8% of the all entire movie industry. But more than that, I would like to mention that our Odisha re jetebele bhi somebody launches a video or an audio into the movie industry, I have noticed very interestingly that they will launch a bhajan cassette always. Apanko manako bari semti smriti re kichi thibo, right? So we take over to Soni Swayamprabha Mishra here and let us know her experience with Ratha Yatra. So what is your childhood memories, Swayamprabha? Go ahead, please.
Hello. रथ यात्रा मु एक्चुअली ओडिया रे कहको चाहूची सो नमस्कार समस्त को एबे जस्ट रथ यात्रा लास्ट वीक कला सो मोर सब बेले ये जो रथ यात्रा हुए मुझे अटेंड करे सो मोर बहुत माने सब बेले मते छोट दिनर कथा मन पड़े एक्जाक्टली जमती छोट दिन आम रथ यात्रा देखी जाऊलु रथ टाणुलु पहंडी देखुलु एक्जाक्टली सेमती ये भी होची भोग खाऊलु छप्पन भोग तो से सब कथा एबे भी मने पड़े आम छुआ को बेसी ये करूँ इनवल्व करूँ ये कि से भी आम संगे एंजॉय करूँ से टाइमटा रथ यात्रा प्रभु कृपा से माने भी पातु बस सेटा थिला मोर मेमोरी तो आगु को बढ़ी मो गीत तो मोर गीत होची यही झुमा झुमा गोलापी बेलारे जोटा कि फिल्म आसीथिला अभिलाषा 1983 रे से ये गीतटा को गाइथिले हरिहरन जी एंड आरती मुखर्जी उत्तम माध्यान अपराजिता गीत रे कास्ट करिसंती सो से माने मोर फेवरेट सो मैं गीतटा को चूज करिछि सो चलन सुनिबा Thank you.
Wonderful rendition. This is a very difficult song, and it is kind of a semi-classical and very beautiful song. And this is again a duet song, but I think you kind of covered the entire thing very, very well. So we'll move on to the next one, which is Sapanara Pathe Pathe from the film Dharitri, originally sung by Sikandar Alam.
सपनर पथे पथे संध्यारे दिने गली अजिला प्रीति को मोर खोजी मु पाइबी बोली सपनर पथे पथे संध्यारे दिने गली अजिला प्रीति को मोर खोजी मु पाइबी बोली सपनर पथे पथे चाली चाली बहु पथ आसी एका गारे देखिली बसिची एका ता कुटीर दुआरे संध्यार दीप जाली अपरूपा झिअटी खबरीर बासटार उठुथिला चहटी पचारिली पासे जाई कि नाम तुमर बोली चाहिला मोते से खाली नरम नयन मेली सपनर पथे पथे संध्यारे दिने गली खोजिला प्रीति को मोर खोजी मु पाइबी बोली सपनर पथे पथे ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ସେ ତ ବହୁ ପରିଚିତା କିଶୋରୀ ଖାଲି ତାର ନାଟି ତ ଜାଣିଥିଲି ପାଶୋରୀ ସିଏ ବି ତ ଚିହ୍ନା ଚିହ୍ନା ପରି ମତେ ଚାହିଁଲା ନାଟି ତା ଶେଷକୁ ସେ ପ୍ରୀତି ବୋଲି କହିଲା ତାର ଦୀପ ଶିଖା ମୋର ମନ ଆଲୋକିତ କରି ଅଜଣା ଫୁଲ କେଶତେ ମରମ ଦେଲା ସେ ଧରି ସପନର ପଥେ ପଥେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ଦିନେ ଗଲି ଖୋଜିଲା ପ୍ରୀତିକୁ ମୋର ଖୋଜି ମୁଁ ପାଇବି ବୋଲି ସପନର ପଥେ ପଥେ सपन भाजिला जेबे देखिली मो अनाई प्रीति मोर प्रियतमा गला कहीं भाई मने मने से दिन चाही चाही ता पथ बसीची से सते पुणी केबे फेरी आसीब पुणी मते आलोकित करी बसे दीप जाई अजଣା फूलते मोर देव से मरम भरी सपनर पथे पथे सन्ध्यारे दिने गली खोजिला प्रीति को मोर खोजी मु पाइबी बोली सपनर पथे पथे सपनर पथे पथे सपनर पथे पथे
Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow. This is, it is really taking us to the dream world of movie industries. Movie industry not only make our dream come true, they also help us follow our dreams. So, etiki pohunche ki we are in a time wherein we want to check on the audiences of the. I hope all the audience is enjoying with our yatra in this Shamegana. So Ratha Jatra Katha Kahile, it is like the trio, the siblings trio, they all go to their Mausi Badi, that is their own home. Well, that is how they start their Ratha Jatra and then they come back to home. So Manaviya Leela Jatore Kahanti Jagannath Mahaprabhunkara, se Bulli Janti, he has all the romances, he has all the hardship, everything he faces like a normal human being. So, Prabhura se Mohima ko mane kariki, we are moving on to our next song, which will be rendered by Sujit Bhai and Swayam Prabha Mishra. They will be singing a lovely duet. And I would like to talk to them about their experiences with the movies, their first Odia movie, if they remember from their childhood. Over to you.
Yeah, my first Odia movie is Donda Valunga. Because before that, my parents wouldn't allow movie in theater except if it is Amitabh Bachchan movie. And I grew up in a small town and we had our own movie theater. We used to sneak behind the person who is, because we were very short. We used to sneak under the person who was checking the tickets at the door. But yeah, my first Odia movie in the theater that my parents took me with them is Donda Valunga.
Very nice, interesting comic memory by now to remember.
And then yeah, and this is the song which we are going to render. It's from movie Toaki Mo Aina. Originally, it's sung by Sonu Nigam and Pamela Jane. So it's a very beautiful romantic song, very popular. Let's go and listen. Oh, you were saying something, Sushmita.
No, I said if Swayam Prabha has her memories, childhood memories with regards to Odia movies.
Yeah, sure.
एक्चुअली मोर मन नहीं मोर फर्स्ट मूवी इन द थिएटर ओडिया मूवी कौन थिला बट विजय महांती मूवी रे थिले एंड मिहिर दास मूवी रे थिले मु से मूवीटा जमा भी छाड़ेनी जेमती हेले देखे सो मते लगे कि विजय महांती को देखी कि छोटले लगुला कि मो बाबा के मूवी रे रोल करूचंती तो सेटा बाबा बाबा भी मते किछि कहंतिनी बाबा आहुरी जोक करंती तो सेटा गोटे फन थिला इतमे मु सबले विजय महांती मूवी देखे आ मोर के मन नहीं फर्स्ट मूवी कौन थिला आई थिंक उदंती सीता इथिबो मे बी मोर सेतले अपराजिता फेवरेट भी थिले एबे भी अछंती चलो आमे आगु बढ़िया मो गीत रे
राधा राधा हे राधा 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 सुनेली खरा तो मुँह सारा के बेदिसु गोलापी तू के बेदिसु गोरा तो ठरू झरी पड़े हस चून चूना तो आखी मो आईना तो आखी मो आईना तो आखी मो आईना
मोती तोड़ी पवन चलाना फूल तो बिंदी मोदी कहाना तुम्हें मोर पाखे थिले किछि मो चाहिना तो आखी मो आईना तो आखी मो आईना तो आखी मो आईना
जेते जानिची ताते सेतिकी टाणुछु मते हातरे धरिछु साते रेशमी डोरी
दोसनो ही कामरो तुम्हें भी तो जादू करो तुम्हें तो करी छमते मो पाखु चोरी
सब किछि उठे जी तुमे देले छुई पथर सबुज हुए बही जाए नई
बनी बनी नाची जाए मो मन मई
आईना
तो आँखी वो आईना
बसीची एठी तो चाहाणी चोरा चिठी मो दुई हातरे धरी पढ़िबा पाई खाली खाली लागे सब तुम बिना तो आखि मो आईना
तो आँखी वो आईना तो
आखि मो आईना सुनेली सुनेली खरा तो मुँह सारा केबे दिसु गोलापी तू केबे दिसु गोरा तो ठरु छरी पड़े हस चुना चुना तो आखि मो आईना तो आखि मो आईना तो आखि मो आईना
थैंक यू
Sorry guys, I don't know what happens. The track kind of stops last couple of times in the middle. So we'll check it next before we sing. Thank you. Okay, what do you?
Beautiful. It's really better than original.
Oh, thank you so much.
So Susmita, the next one is Ocho Tara Madhusala. That's the one.
All right, so I'm going to just play a little bit while I'm in mute, and just to make sure the track doesn't, kind of stop in the middle.
I know a little bit of digital things go wrong with us, but that's okay, Mena. You both sang so well. Amara, I would like to I would like to share my experience with my first Odia movie which I had watched in my childhood. It was Bhakta Salovika, and Uttam Mahanti was the main cast in it, and it is you can say that how Lord or our universal gods or our deities, they don't see religion or they don't see they don't see other religions, or they don't have any distinction between who belongs to which religion. So Bhakta Salovika, if you can correlate, se Muslim thile, and he was raised in a Muslim family, even if he was a child of a Brahmin mother, like Hindu mother. So that's how he turned into be a devotee of big devotee of Mahaprabhu Jagannath. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ରଥଯାତ୍ରା ଯେତେବେଳେ ରଥ ଫେରିକି ଆସୁଥାଏ So there is a tomb of Bhakta Salabega. Amar rathata Mahaprabhunka ratha ठीक सेठी टिके देरी पाई रहे. So it is like as if he wants to meet Mahaprabhu Jagannath wants to meet his Bhakta. This is the greatest Bhakta known as Bhakta Salabega. So with that, Bhaina, if you are ready with your song, let's go ahead.
Okay. You're going to start. Okay. This ए गीतटा होची ओठो तोर मधुशाला मूवी नाटा
एक्चुअली ये मूवीटा होची अजब संजूर गजब लव एटा नुआ मूवी गोटे तो तार सिंगर होचंती बाबूसान महांती एंड दीप्ति रेखा बाबूसान एथरे कास्ट भी करिचंती विथ अर्चिता चलंतु सुनिबा
तोर मधुशाला मीठा मीठा महु झरा महु बिना प्रजापति रही पारे ना मुश्किल है जीना तेरे बिना मुश्किल है जीना मुश्किल है जीना तेरे बिना मुश्किल है जीना प्रथम देखारु तू जुआड़े जाऊची मु रेशमी सुतारे मते धीरे धीरे अटकी टाणुछु तू चाहनी रे हीरा मोती चाही चाही सारे राती मोती बिना सामुका तो रही पारे ना मुश्किल है जीना तेरे बिना मुश्किल है जीना मुश्किल है जीना तेरे बिना मुश्किल है जीना
मुश्किल है जीना तेरे बिना मुश्किल है जीना मुश्किल है जीना तेरे बिना मुश्किल है जीना
ନିଜର ଲାଗୁଛୁ ତୁ ନିଶ୍ୱାସରେ ଅଛୁ ତୁ ତୋରି ଭିତରେ ତୋ ଚାରି ପାଖରେ ଅଟକି ଯାଉଛି ମୁଁ
ପ୍ରେମ ତୋର ଛିଟା ଛିଟା ପ୍ରେମ ତୋର ଛିଟା ଛିଟା ଲାଗେ ଭାରି ମିଠା ମିଠା ପ୍ରେମ ବିନା ପୃଥିବୀଟା ରହି ପାରେ ନା मुश्किल है जीना तेरे बिना मुश्किल है जीना
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 थैंक यू
बहुत सुंदर लिरिक्स टा भी बहुत सुंदर माने हिंदी ओडिया मिसेक एंड थैंक यू फॉर सिंगिंग दिस न्यू सॉन्ग यू नो वी आर सिंगिंग लॉट ऑफ सॉन्ग्स फ्रॉम 70s and 80s and 90s but this is probably very new and Babusan is a good singer and you have done very well actually. So we'll move on to the next song. The next one is good Odia classic माने जदि top 5 Odia songs classic भितरे जदि गोटे स्कोरिंग करा जिवो ताले हृदय रही शून्यता को विल बी वन ऑफ द टॉप सॉन्ग्स एंड 1978 मूवी समर सलीम साइमन शेखर घोष गाइछन्ते गीतटा सुस्मिता you know is going to sing this song and over to you Susmita.
Thank you so much, Sambit bhai. Mushkil Tere Bina Jeena was a very lovely combination of Odia script along with the Hindi. So, बहुत मीठा मीठा बिल्कुल रसगुल्ला भड़िया गाइले. When it comes to talking about rasagalla, if you talk to any Indian, they are going to relate it to Odisha or maybe Bengal sometimes. So, rasagalla रे कथा मने पड़े जे आम पुराणरे वेदरे or in our scriptures when we talk about Jagannath Mahaprabhu. So rasagalla is he used it to please his wife Lakshmi Mahadevi ko. So when he goes to so this the anecdote goes like the scriptures say this. So when he goes to Gundicha Mandira, it is like the three of the siblings, which is the trio of Jagannath Mahaprabhu, Subhadra Devi, and Mahaprabhu Balabhadra. When all the the two brothers and sisters, they go along to their Mausi, like the auntie's home, they did not take Lakshmi with them. So Lakshmi gets very upset, and Mahalakshmi says that why did you leave me and go? So when you come back and I'll teach you a lesson that way. So she doesn't allow them to get into the home, their home when they get in. So Mahaprabhu offers like, I've got so many gems for you, jewelries for you, here are the saris for you. She says, no, I'm not going to get pleased with all this stuff. So what she does is, and then finally Mahaprabhu Jagannath remembers that rasagalla is something she loves to eat. So he offers rasagalla. So that's why we have a ritual when we do our Ratha Jatra. When Mahaprabhu wants to enter the home, there we do that ritual of offering rasagalla to Mahalakshmi Devi, and that's how she allows the family to enter, like the brothers and sisters to enter home. So with that, remembering Leelas of Mahaprabhu, I will go ahead with this song.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत हाई पिच सॉन्ग एक्चुअली एंड यूजुअली मु केबे सुनिनी फीमेल सिंगर मैंने एटा को ट्राई करियो बट बहुत ब्यूटीफुली नोट्स गुड़ाक ऊपर को गला एंड वेरी नाइस टू हियर सच सॉन्ग. आई हैव नेवर रियली सीन एनी फीमेल सिंग दिस सॉन्ग सो वेल. सो एंड आई एम मोर बहुत क्लोज, बहुत लाइक करे सॉन्ग को एंड इट्स वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स.
धन्यवाद Vaibhav. It happens that some of the best of the songs have been given to the male singers. So I tend to sing the lyrics. And if you notice, the lyrics are very neutral. It could be for a woman, it could be for a man.
It touches the soul, it touches the soul. And last time in the Odia program, you sang Re Priya Mora, another male song I remember.
By Mukesh.
Yeah, by Mukesh, yeah. And both keep singing these kind of songs. I think it's really wonderful listening to you. So well, we will move on to the next one. Next one is a unique song, and it is actually an original song by Suchit. It is from his own album, Janhare Tate Mu Jebe. So actually I listened to the song in YouTube before this program, and actually I was blown away in how nicely it has been done. And I'm sure he's going to recreate the magic here. So over to you, Suchit. Mute. You have to unmute.
Oh, thank you, Saminji. Yes. In fact, I really like the lyrics of this song, and in fact, it was written by somebody in my hometown, where I belong, Rajkishore Patra. It was an experience doing this. Hopefully, I'll do the justice because it's been a while, and hopefully, the technology this time. Tiga saath do. Thank you.
Ho 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 ho, la 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 la, ah ha ha, ah ha ha. जन्हरे तते मुझे झरका खोली देखे लागे एमिति सते जेमिति मो पिया अछि मोरी पाखे जन्हरे तते मुझे झरका खोली देखे लागे एमिति सते जेमिति मो पिया अछि मोरी पाखे मो पिया अछि मोरी पाखे से जन्ह जो छनार तारा से मो मनर प्रीति हीरा से जन्ह जो छनार तारा से मो मनर प्रीति हीरा खोली देखे लागे एमिति सते जेमिति मो पिया अछि मोरी पाखे मो पिया अछि मोरी पाखे सीए भारी ताजा मो मन मानसी चाली गले हसी लागे मते भारी मजा बिना गहणारे बिना टिकिली लागे सीए भारी ताजा मो मन मानसी चाली गले हसी लागे मते भारी मजा से मो हृदय खुशी परा केबे मो हातरे दब धरा से मो हृदय खुशी परा से मो हातरे दब धरा सेथिपाई ता बाटकू चाहि बसिछि सते जन्हरे तते मुझे झरका खोली देखे लागे एमिति सते जेमिति मो प्रिया अछि मोरी पाखे मो प्रिया अछि मोरी पाखे बिना कागजरे बिना कलमरे छातीरे ना तार लेखा मुराती निदरे सपन देखुची से राणी मु राजा बिना कागजरे बिना कलमरे छातीरे ना तार लेखा मुराती निदरे सपन देखुची से राणी मु राजा से खोला आकाशर तारा से मो मनर स्वप्न छरा से खोला आकाशर तारा से मो मनर स्वप्न छरा सेथिपाई ता साथी रे प्रेम हेला कि सते जन्हरे तते मुझे झरका खोली देखे लागे एमिति सते जेमिति मो प्रिया अछि मोरी पाखे मो प्रिया अछि मोरी पाखे मो प्रिया अछि मोरी पाखे Thank you.
Wonderful. Best of the best so far. It was such a pleasure to listen to you and your original composition, of course. I feel honored that I'm a part of the dais today because I could hear your original composition. Is it written by you as well, Sujit bhai? Maybe little glitches. So, when I was talking about my childhood memories about the movies, my first movie being Bhakta Salobek, I started idolizing Uttam Mahanti as the best hero because he played such a nice character of the Bhakta Salobek movie. A funny thing, I used to dread Mahaprabhu Jagannath because I used to think that why is his face painted black with only two eyes and that the hands being half. With that, over to you, Samit Bhaina. Go ahead for your next song.
लगे ना भल किछि तो बिना लगे ना भल किछि ना मन बुझे ना बुझे आखि ना नींद से ना पाहे राती तो बिना लगे ना भल किछि तो बिना लगे ना भल किछि आखि को सपना फूल को चंदन जेमिति कराई संगे श्याम तू मोर पाई मु तोर पाई एक पाई अनर जनम साथी रे से दिन नहीं से कथा छी तो मने नहीं मो मने अच्छी तो बिना लगे ना भल किछि तो बिना लगे ना भल किछि अछि मधुबन अछि पर्वत अछि से बनर झरणा हेले समीरे नाही खाली आजी तो केसर मीठा से बसना साथी रे ना संजतरा ना जन्मरती मो आखि खोजे तो छवि नीति तो बिना लगे ना भल किछि तो बिना लगे ना भल किछि ना मन बुझे ना बुझे आखि ना नींद से ना पाहे राती तो बिना लगे ना भल किछि तो बिना लगे ना भल किछि तो बिना लगे ना भल किछि
Thank you. So yeah, this is one of my favorite songs, and thank you for listening. So I want to talk a little bit about Lord Jagannath and why his hands are not fully formed and he doesn't have any feet. So there is a small theory, when Indradumna, who is the king who wanted to build the idols, right? He gave like 21 days to somebody who is supposed to be Lord Vishwakarma, and he was supposed to be in a closed door and finish the work in 21 days, but Indradumna could not really hold his curiosity and his anxiety. After 14 days, he opened the doors and it was not finished. The idols were not actually finished. But then Indradumna heard a voice, divine voice, that this is all perfect. This is how it should have been actually in the first place. And the reason for that is, Lord is Nirakar, right? It doesn't have any form. It is difficult to really give a complete form to the deity. So that is how it should be. And And also the fact that he doesn't have hands and only big eyes. It means that he can watch everybody, cannot do a whole lot of things, and people have to really do their karma to really get the reward. So that is the philosophy of Lord Jagannath. So I wanted to share that with you a little bit, snippet on that, and then we will go to the next song after this. So this is actually a duet. This is again my favorite duet. This is again a classic in my opinion, Chandana Tume Tara, to be sung by Suchit and Swayam Prabha. And this is a beautiful song, again Tansen Singh, and I think Swagatika Ratha, that's the original singer, from the movie Chinna Chinna. So over to you, Suchit and Soni.
Thank you. Before we start, Sushmita, you asked a question. Sorry, I didn't mean to not answer to you because I was in mute. So the lyricist was local to Dhenkanal. I know him personally, and then he wrote it, and he writes. And then this was a poem, and then we just talked about it, and we thought of making it a song, and it happened. So that's how it was accidental. But I loved it. So with that, now, you want to say something?
Let's go with our song.
Okay.
चांदो न तुम्हें तारा, मोती न तुम्हें हीरा, मुझे आजी भाभी पारे ना तुमार पारा तुलना।
तुम्हें मो सपना झरा, जुग जुगरा परा, ईमान कथा कही हुए ना, तुम्हें तो बुझी बुझाना।
चांदो न तुम्हें तारा,
मोती न तुम्हें हीरा।
तुमाला जुआ हसा, मते जे भला लागिची।
तुमसे मजा गपा, बेसी मो भलो पाइची।
तुमाला जुआ हसा, मते जे भला लागिची।
तुमसे मजा गपा, बेसी मो भलो पाइची।
मुझे अजी
जाए हजी, तुम्हें मो मन झरा।
झरणा, चांदो न तुम्हें तारा,
मोती न तुम्हें हीरा।
मन खोजुची आजी जीवाकू बहु दूर मन खोजुची आजी जीवाकू बहु दूर सेई दिन केबे आसीब जाने ना चांदन तुमे तारा मोती न तुमे हीरा चांदन तुमे तारा हीन तुमे हीरा चांदन तुमे तारा थैंक यू नमस्कार
बहुत सुंदर सुंदर ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग लागिला पूरा सुनला परे सो देन विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन गोटे भजन आखि दुई जदि थिबुरे आई थिंक दैट्स द वन राइट स्वयं प्रभा यू विल परफॉर्म इन दैट सॉन्ग सो ओवर टू यू
हेलो हाँ मो होची माय नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग इज अ भजन ओरिजिनली सॉन्ग बाय नमिता अग्रवाल सो लेट्स लागे थिबी पतारे पतारे तो आखिरे रहिथिबी काजल गार हेबी आखि दुई जदि हबुरी काजल गार हेबी काजल गार हेबी काजल गार हेबी काजल गार हेबी। जय जगन्नाथ।
बहुत ही भाव स्वयं प्रभु lovely. You enjoyed this song as if you were dipped in divine singing, right? Great, lovely to watch you. Not only this. So here we are at the last leg of the program. जैसे कोई भी चीज निरंतर चलती नहीं है, उसकी शुरुआत होती है, उसका अंत भी होता है। उसी तरह से प्रभु महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ ने ऐसी ही किया है। Every 12 years, his soul is being released or soul is involved. होता है उनके soul का which is called as Nava Kadakar, and it's a great ritual when the wood, the caste or the daru collected on their bodies is replaced by special trees with significant, significant characteristics. So ये सब बातें तो होती रहेंगी। हमने देखा कि हमारी यात्रा बहुत अच्छी चल रही है। आई थिंक आवर ऑडियंस इज ऑल्सो एंजॉइंग विद अस, even if it is regional. For many of them they cannot understand, but it is music has no language, as we say. And इसी तरह से सभी की शुभकामना और सबका मंगल कामना करते हुए कुछ एक और ऐसा ही गाना है जिसमें it's for the divine Lord, singing and praying for everybody. कुछ ऐसे ही फीलिंग वाले गाने को लेकर आ रहे हैं संबित भाई. So let's go ahead and do it.
Thank you, Susmita.
ढाली दिया सारा धरणी रे आजी तुमरी आशीष धारा अन्धार मने कण्टक बने आलोकर इशारा असीम आकाशर सम संसारे तुम रूप अनुपम देखिनी आखि मने अछि लाखी मन सरबरे छायाटार लेखी आकाशर सेई शून्यता साथे मिसाई मो मन परा ढाଳି दिया सारा ଅନ୍ଧ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ବାଟ ଯାଏ ଭୁଲି ଚଳାଇ ନିଅ ହେ ହାତ ମୋର ଧରି ଆଜି ଏ ଧରାରେ অবসাদ ঘেরে তুমরি মূর্ছনা খেলু মন্তরে অহর তুমে পাশে পাশে রহ তুমে মো দিগর তারা ঢাଳି দিଅ ସାରା ଧରଣୀରେ ଆଜି ତୁମରି ଆଶିଷ ଧାରା ଅନ୍ଧାର ମନେ କଣ୍ଟକ ବନେ ଦିଅ ଆଲୋକର ଇଶାରା ଢାଳି ଦିଅ ସାରା ଧରଣୀରେ ଆଜି ତୁମରି ଆଶିଷ ଧାରା. Thank you. Sorry, I choke when I sung this bhajan. So it's very emotional for me.
So as we pray for everything,
Yeah. So, thank you everyone for listening in, the viewers, and thank you all the singers. It was a beautiful program, and I know we kind of a little bit over the time, and but I enjoyed all the songs, and the time being so close to the Rath Yatra has brought a divine feeling to the whole thing, and a lot of bhajans, wonderful bhajans, and I'm sure, I'm confident I'm going to download this whole video and save it for future. So. Thank you everyone, the singers and viewers, for supporting today. So Suchit and Soni, you want to say something?
Thank you everyone. Hope you can hear us.
Hello. ଶୁଣି ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ? ହ୍ୟାଲୋ. ହଁ, ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୁସ୍ମିତା ଆଣ୍ଡ ସମ୍ବିତ ଭାଇନା, ବଢ଼ିଆ ଆପଣ ହୋଷ୍ଟ କଲେ, ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର, ଆଉ ଗାଇଲେ ବି ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର, ଆଉ ସୁଚିତ ବି ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଗାଇଲେ, ଆଉ ମୋତେ ବି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଗାଇକି ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଲାଗିଲା, ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଅପରଚ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଏଇଟା, ଆଉ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଭେରି ହ୍ୟାପି. ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ. Thank you, Tusharji. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Also, same feelings here. Wonderful singing by everyone, and wonderful hosting, and a great lineup and arrangement of the songs. for this evening. It was like like a story going on. और ଆଉ ସବୁ ଅଡ଼ିଏନ୍ସ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଟାଇମ୍ ବାହାର କରିକି ଆସିକି ଆମକୁ ଶୁଣିଲେ ଏନକରେଜ୍ କଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଆମକୁ ଏନକରେଜ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଆଉ ଏଠି ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଆସିକି ତ ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ.
I would like to extend my thank you note to Dr. Tushar and Indus TV, of course, and I'm so honored to have been part of you. This is probably the 5th episode regional round wherein Dr. Tushar never forgets to have a Odia regional episode, and we get to sing so many songs. Not only that, we share our stories and especially about our culture and heritage, and he sort of connects us to our roots again and brings up our memories freshened up. So we cherish those memories. Thank you again. And with this thank you note, I would say that let everyone's path be enlightened with love and peace. Shabba Khair, adios. Signing off now for the new episode again. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you.